Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to make classic healthy dill leaf stir fry Shepu Bhaji recipe. This traditional Indian dill leaf stir fry known as Shepu Bhaji is a quick, nutrient-dense, dry side dish made by shooting fresh dill green with garlic, green chilies and soaked yellow moong dal. A dill leaf curry like a hearty Maharashtrian Shepu Bhaji with groundnuts and chana dal or a North Indian suwa besan curry is a comforting with rice and rotis. But today we are focusing completely on a crispy, clean flavor of perfect stir dry fry dill leaf recipe. This stir dry fry recipe is healthy and delicious, combining fresh dill leaves, shepu, with yellow moong dal and light spices provides nutritional boost. Shooting it quickly as a dry fry helps to retain most of its heat-sensitive vitamins compared to the boiling it into curry. Fresh dill leaves or shepu bhaji are rich in calcium and vitamin. Regularly eating this stir fry contributes to better bone mineral density and helps to protect against osteoporosis as you age. This recipe is a traditional village style meal. This dill leaves shepu bhaji dry fry is best served with hot jawar or pearl millet roti rather than regular wheat roti. Ingredient needed for this stir fry shepu bhaji: we need fresh dill leaves, 1 large bunch of shepu, 250 grams, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, green chilies paste 1.5 tablespoon, yellow moong dal 3 tablespoon, soak for 30 minutes, peanut powder crush 2 tablespoons. Also we need mustard seed half tablespoon, cumin seeds which is known as jeera half tablespoon, turmeric powder half tablespoon, salt for taste. You can also use grated coconut. It is optional. First step is to prepare the green leaves of shepu. Wash the dill leaves well in water. Chop them finely, keeping the tender stalks and discarding thick stems. Soak the yellow moong dal in water for about 15 to 30 minutes. Next step is to tempering the spices. Heat oil in a pan or kadai on medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them crackle. Add crushed garlic. Shoot until the garlic turns light brown and fragrant. Add 1.5 tablespoon of green chilies paste directly to the oil after frying the garlic. Stir in chilies paste immediately after the garlic turns fragrant. Cook it for 30 seconds on medium-low heat to remove the raw taste. Add chopped dill leaves or shepu. Toast well to combine everything. Cook uncovered. Also add drained moong dal to the temper spices and mix well with the chopped dill leaves. Cook uncovered for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the leaves sweat, shrink and wilt completely. Ensure all excess moisture from the green dill leaves or shepu evaporate so the stir fry stays dry. Cover the pan with lid and cook on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until the lentils are soft, tender but still hold their shapes. Do not let the moong dal overcook or turn pasty. Its light crunch beautifully balances the soft texture of dill green leaves. Ensure the dill leaves are completely dry before chopping it. Excess moisture will steam the leaves instead of stir frying them. Once the shepu leaf and moong dal are fully cooked and water is completely evaporated, sprinkle peanut powder evenly over the greens. Toast and mix everything for 1 to 2 minutes so the peanut powder toasts slightly with the oil and coats the dill leaves. Add salt for taste. The crunchy bits of peanut pairs beautifully with soft wilted greens and tender moong dal. The peanut adds healthy fats and extra plant-based protein, making your village-style meal even more filling. Always keep the pan completely uncovered while cooking. This lets the steam escape so the fry stays nice and dry. Dill leaves or shepu bhaji has a very strong sharp smell. Adding lots of crushed garlic balance that smell perfectly and make the dish aroma delicious. Cook on gentle low heat. Serve your hot dill leaves shepu bhaji stir dry fry with traditional rustic roti of jawar or pearl millet flatbread for the ultimate comforting meal. If you like this traditional Indian dill leaves shepu bhaji stir dry fry recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.